Let's see which one I will open first. Advil PM Ibuprofen 200 milligrams. Here, pain reliever, nighttime sleep aid. So NSAID is a 200 coated gravel capsule. No, what? Caplets. And here. It's blue color. Yeah. Okay, now here we go. The difference between the Advil PM and the regular Advil. I know I opened a couple times. The regular Advil is white in this PM, but so for nighttime it's just blue. This is my first time see this too. I have never seen this because I never bought you know, the nighttime Advil yet. So I bought this to open for you guys to see how the difference. There's 200 of them. No, I don't need to count it because mostly machine counted. So if I count it, it's take very long. Yep, that's for the Advil. Let me turn around the camera around to let you see more detail. My table is a messy table. Here, I got a closer look for you to see it. See it? Yeah, it's kind of hard to show on the bottle. Yeah, I bought this a long time ago, but I haven't unboxed yet. Yeah. Actually, I bought just before they took my channels, so that's I was unable to open. and then after got the channel back, I forgot about these medicine. This and today I found it. Yeah, thunderstorm. I think they still keep the same style of the PM Advil. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next video. And what did you have inside? There's nothing here. Oh, the box. The box is kind of, you see kind of what ink in the what I forgot the word. So when you buy this, you know, it's a real, you can touch and feel here. It's kind of bowl compared to the background. See? Yeah, the medicine I cannot use anymore because this is expires on August 22. And I remember they took my channel on March 22, I believe. Yeah, and then I got back after many times. I got back my channel on June 23. So that's it's a 1 year's anniversary. Oh, how come my guys is it had this as 1 year anniversary. Got getting back my channel. Yeah, I don't do the food today. Probably I'm due the next time. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. If I count these, take them. I will cover after I turn off the camera, and I put the result and in the description box. So if you want to figure out is this a match with the bottle showing here or not, look at the description box. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 200. So it's matched. That's why it says machine counting. It's not the different. No mistake is right. Yep.